Christmas, Raptor.
You have my RPG.
Oh, it's got the new auto fire technology.
Uh-oh.
Be careful with that, Raptor.
Ooh, what does this button do?
No.
Raptor, don't!
Can he teach Raptor?
Again, it's an auto fire.
Raptor!
It's really bad.
I don't know what to tell you, Kelly.
You don't know what to tell me? Raptor, you blew up our house!
It was your fault that you brought me the rocket launcher.
Well, I thought it was a nice Christmas present. I didn't know you were gonna blow up our home.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. I'll buy us a new house.
You don't have any money.
True. Oh, I know. I'll build us another house.
Raptor, you don't know how to build a house.
Watch this. Ta-da!
You want us to live in this?
Just until the new year. Then I'll get us a new house. I promise.
Okay, Raptor. It will do.
Okay, let me give you the tour. So, what do you think?
It's great!
That can't be Raptor and Kelly's new house. Hey, Drift, Starly, come on in. Oh, jeez.
I love your new place. Thanks, Starly.
Okay, come on, let's get this place looking Christmassy. Starly, you put up the mistletoe, I'll go get us a Christmas tree. Kelly, you go get the decorations. Hey, Starly, you know what happens when two people stand under the mistletoe, right?
I got the decorations.
Kelly!
We're under the mistletoe.
Yeah, we are.
What do we do? Oh, just kiss. It's not a big deal. Yeah, you're right. It's just a bit of fun.
Yeah, totally. Oh, you did not just kiss my wife. No.
No, Raptor, calm down. Calm down.
Oh, I'm calm. I'm real calm. Oh, and by the way, look what I found.
No, Raptor, don't.
Raptor,
Run.